I'll be up shortly for more on the wintry blast that is gripping southeastern Australia. For the time being, we're flying to the United States. Overnight, we have had widespread severe weather gripping parts of the northeast. In fact, two severe thunderstorm systems swept through Pennsylvania, both in the northeast and central part of the state, where damage was widespread. Vehicles were tossed up like toys. There were even some large, high-profile vehicles even tossed on their side. We had damaging winds and even reports of tornadoes. Authorities now believe it is likely there were two confirmed tornadoes in the region. Pennsylvania is right in the firing line when it comes to severe weather systems in summer. Judging by these images, the storm cells did look very big and dangerous as they rolled through. Some phenomenal images coming into us from the tornadoes that hit overnight. Take a look.
Two severe storm systems sweeping through Pennsylvania during the overnight hours, both in northeast Pennsylvania and in the central part of the state. Here in Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania, you can see the damage yourself here, what's left of a car dealership and also a nearby U-Haul rental center. The vehicles from both locations, you can see, were tossed like toys. Some large, high-profile vehicles also on their side. The question now, what caused this? Meteorologists with the National Weather Service are expected on site. They will be surveying the damage, trying to determine if it was straight-line winds or perhaps the damage that left behind by a tornado. Meteorologists saying that Pennsylvania sees on average about 16 tornadoes a year. Certainly not rare, but at the same time, not common. As we look over this damage, it really is incredible when you realize that there were only 6 minor injuries that were reported during the overnight hours. Some people did have to be rescued, but again, no major injuries to report here. Authorities here believe that likely because of the warnings that were in place, a tornado warning that was in place in the area when the severe weather began sweeping through the region. But again, this is a situation right now both in central Pennsylvania and here in the northeastern part of this state. Reporting in Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania, I'm Polo Sandoval.